Invite Honorable Mr. Justice R. Mahadevan, Judge, Supreme Court of India, known for his wisdom, generosity, and steadfast devotion to justice, to deliver his special address. My Lord, please.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Living legend, Padma Vibhushan, Shri.K.Parasaran. Honorable Justices Shri Vikram Nath, M.M. Sundaresh, P.S. Narasimha, and K.V. Viswanathan, Judges of the Supreme Court of India. Former Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Shri Ibrahim Khalifullah, Shri Nahapan. Honorable Justice M.M. Srivastava, Chief Justice, and his companion judges are Suresh Kumar and M.S. Ramesh. Former Chief Justices of High Courts, present sitting judges of the Madras High Court, Shri R. Venkataramani, Attorney General, Shri P.S. Raman, Advocate General, Shri A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Shri K. Prabhaharan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, P.S. Amalraj, and V. Karthikeyan, Chairman and Vice Chairman of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, government pleaders, law officers, Sri Viduthalai Senior Advocate, senior advocates, advocates and friends. It is my distinct honor and privilege to be part of this event. This is no ordinary event seen from any angle. To be able to felicitate a legal luminary of such larger than life stature, the senior most member of the bar, a non-agenarian who is even elder to independent India, and in his very presence is more a pleasure for me and for all those who can felicitate him than to Shri Parasaran himself. There is a famous saying, when all is said, something still remains to be said. I am banking heavily on this saying today to speak something more than what has already been said. When many important guests have spoken before me and said almost everything on the greatness of Shri Parasaran, and so many more illustrious speakers are waiting to speak. That Shri.K.Parasaran is a legal colossus who stored the courts with intellectual prowess, conviction of thought, and dedication of mind is known to one and all. As one of the eldest members of the bar and one of the brightest stars in the galaxy of legal luminaries, whose career spans more than 7 decades, he has been a mentor for many of us. His devotion to work and service to society can be understood from the way he argues cases even until recently. His clarity of thought and articulation of expression is worth emulating. Shri Parasaran has never missed an opportunity to uphold the majesty of the courts and always advocated the institutional independence of the judiciary. His strength lay in his agility of mind and the persuasiveness of his speech, apart from his concern for society as a whole. A man of such qualities was most befitting in constitutional positions like Attorney General of India and Solicitor General of India, apart from being a member of the Rajya Sabha. Shri Parasaran has had the distinction of having been born in pre-independent India, seen its laborious birth as an independent republic, seen her in the fledgling years and through the period of transition, trouble and tumult, observed her mature into a young and vibrant democracy, and continues to watch over as she proceeds resiliently into the future as one of the powerful countries of the world, and all this as a statesman lawyer having contributed so much to the body of constitutional law. However, his true legacy is much more than the footprints he has left on the sands of time in courts alone. Anyone who knew him would know his unflinching allegiance to righteousness and rectitude, more so in his public life. In his several speeches, he has often emphasized on duties of citizen as against only speaking of rights, and also underscored the significance of respect to women. He always took the opportunity to quote from our ancient text to underline the importance of good conduct and character, and his greatness lies in how he made himself an exemplar of such righteousness. This is why I feel I must say that his legacy is not one that can be reduced to words, cases or statistics of victory or loss, but the values that he has attempted to propagate among all who lives he has touched directly or indirectly. The great men of a nation reach out to all mankind. They are unifying, not divisive, internationally conciliating, and still great nationally. To a man of such greatness, to my mind, there is only one way to truly honor and applaud his achievements, and that is a solemn promise to take his legacy forward by upholding the dignity, authority, and majesty of the judiciary and the law. As a judge of the highest court, it will be my pleasant duty to do everything in my ability and might to fulfill that particular promise. தமிழிலும் ஒன்றை சொல்ல வேண்டும். திருமங்கை ஆழ்வாரின் பாசுரம் ஒன்று இருக்கிறது. பண்டை நான்மறையும் வேள்வியும் வேள்வி பதங்களும் பதங்களின் பொருளும். பிண்டமாய் விரிந்த பிறங்கொளி அனலும் பெருகிய புனலுடன் நிலனும் கொண்டல் மாருதமும் குறைக்கடல் ஏழும் கோலமா மலைகளும் விசும்பும் அண்டமும் தானாய் நின்ற எம்பெருமான் அரங்க மாநகர் அமர்ந்தானே என்ற அந்த பாடல். அரங்க மாநகரத்திலே பிறந்து அரங்க மாநகரத்தின் அற்புதமான புதல்வனாய் வளர்ந்த திரு கே பராசரன் அவர்களை ராமச்சந்திரமூர்த்தி தன்னுடைய வழக்கை நடத்துவதற்காக நியமித்து அருள் புரிந்தார். அந்த அருள் 100 ஆண்டுகளை கடந்து அவரை இந்த மண்ணிலே நிலைநிறுத்தச் செய்து மேலும் பல சாதனைகளை செய்வதற்கு வழிவகுக்க வேண்டும் என்ற வேண்டுதலோடு எனது வணக்கங்களை அவருக்கு உரித்தாக்குகிறேன்.